Coach, anong guidelines, consideration mo to come up with your ebook price? Like any other product, say physical product, right? It varies eh. It really varies eh. I base it on na lang sa, I know that I'll need fund to market my product. So I charge it $20 para meron akong profit pa rin, a good profit, at least 50% that I can use for marketing. Because I'm sure na once nakarandam na kayo ng sale, first sale mo, it's like, oh my, first sale. You can't wait for the second sale. Right? Third sale. So darating yung time na, uy, nakakabenta ka na ng 1 ebook a day. Once nakakabenta ka na say 1 ebook a day, kayo ba ay hihinto na rin? Oh, that's it. This is it. I'm happy. I'm fully satisfied with my life. Pwede na akong kunin ni Lord. Hihinto ba kayo ng 1 ebook a day? What do you think will happen once you start to sell 1 ebook a day? Ano yung sa tingin ninyo mga maiisip ninyo? Ano yung next na step no? Magiging goal mo? Titigil ka na ba ron? Yes or no? That's right. You want to sell more ebooks. Exactly. If I can sell 1 ebook, what if I can sell 2? Ooh, what if I can sell 3? What if I can sell 10? Right? So doon na ngayon papasok yung, okay, how can I market it more? How can I reach more people? How can I help more people? So now, it will require you some budget. So that is why you have to set aside the profit so that you can market, whether on Facebook and Google or wherever. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.